Dear viewers, today I am discussing about corrosion and rusting. Beside it, rancidity. So listen one by one. Corrosion. This is the chapter of class 10, subject chemistry. Topic corrosion, rusting and rancidity. So listen, corrosion, the destruction of metallic thing due to reaction with atmospheric factor is said to be corrosion. You have to study corrosion of copper, silver and aluminum. So copper reacts with atmospheric factor. After reacting, it forms copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Okay, its color is green. Okay, now second, corrosion of silver. The silver also is corroded due to reaction with atmospheric factor. Generally, silver reacts with hydrogen sulfide. After reacting, it forms silver sulfide. Okay, its color is black. It means corrosion of silver takes place in the form of black color, and product is silver sulfide. Now one more about aluminum. So aluminum reacts with oxygen and form aluminum oxide. The aluminum oxide forms a preventive layer, so it shows beneficial effect. Corrosion of aluminum shows beneficial effect of substances. So aluminum is used for packaging material. On that condition, food items are not spoiled. Now rusting. The rusting you have studied also in an earlier class, but at present time also you have to study in class 10th. Rusting, listen, the destruction of iron metallic thing due to reaction with atmospheric factor. Iron metallic thing, moistured air, or you can say oxygen, water, beside it dust also. So I think iron metallic thing is converted into grayish or reddish color. So this is the process of rusting, and such product is called rust. So rusting and corrosion you have known. Rusting is prevented by different ways: wiling, painting, making alloy, greasing, anodizing. It means different methods by rusting will be prevented. I have mentioned. Now factors which are responsible for rusting. So I think three you can say. First, presence of iron metallic thing. Second, moistured air. Third, you can say oxygen. Now I am discussing about rancidity. So rancidity, in this condition, oily or fatty substances are oxidized and taste and smell are changed. So such a property of food items are said to be rancidity. and such substances are said to be rancid. How will you prevent from rancidity? Packaging material. It means food items are packaged in airtight container. Otherwise, you can say antioxidant are used to prevent it. Thank you. So I have discussed rancidity, corrosion and rusting.